In this video, I'm going to show you how to use the admin features in the retail till. Go to admin in the till functions. Here you can do quick sales reports for your business, refund customers, set your printer settings and do your end of day balancing. To see a report, first specify the date range you wish to report and then select the type of report. Sales summary gives you a summary of all sales, payment types, discounts, voids and VAT. This will print out on the receipt printer, or alternatively, Sales Summary Excel will export as an Excel file. Hourly reports will show you how much money you've taken in, the number of transactions and average spend for each hour. You can also see a sales summary for your miscellaneous products here. Here you can do a refund for a customer by first finding the order in this search bar. This will take you to the Sales Inquiry function, allowing you to find an order and select it for a refund. Here you can type in the order reference, see all orders from a particular date, or specify a customer to see all of their orders. Once you've found the order, select it and press Select Order. Here you can see every product in the order and the quantity of each product here. Then you can specify the quantity that is being returned, or if everything is being returned, press Full Refund and the returned quantity will match up to the quantity. Now go to Payment to pay the customer. Here you can see the balance you owe and pay it with any of these methods. You can pay with multiple methods and see what you've paid and what you still owe here. The window will disappear once you've paid the refund and the receipt printer will print 2 refund receipts for you and the customer. Here you can record any money you wish to add or deduct from the till by simply entering the amount, specifying if you're adding or deducting and choosing a reason from here or creating a new one here. When cashing up the till, you can go to end of day to see how much you should have in there and split the money into the right denominations. Select the till, then start adding the quantities of denominations here. As you do so, you'll see how much you've counted and how much is left to count here. Once you've counted it all, you can add your till float for the next day and then save. When you save, a report with all end of day balancing information will appear. Here you'll input information on your cash drawer balance when taking the cash out. First, select the till. Here you can see the time and date of the last end of day balancing you did. The total transaction amount is the amount of money you've taken since the last end of day. The opening balance is the amount you require to have in the till. The floor limit is the maximum amount you want in the till. The total bank amount specifies how much money has been taken from the till since the last end of day. The amount above the floor limit is how much over the floor limit you have. Here you can verify the opening balance and the banked balance. These have to be verified by 2 separate users for security and audit purposes. Here you can print an X reading. To open the cash drawer, press No Sale. In till settings you can set your printer settings. By default, all the printers installed are displayed on the drop-down. Once set and saved, the receipts will print from the selected printer. First, you need to click on the drop-down arrow to select the right printer from the printer list. Next, enter the till floor limit amount of your choice. To set the printer to print receipts automatically, tick the Print Receipt box. However, if you don't need receipts to be printed automatically, untick that option and then click on Save. In Products Quick Entry, you can add a new product by first scanning a barcode or entering it manually, then choosing a category here. You can then add a description, VAT percentage and price. Then put it into a subcategory by pressing the subcategory and choosing here. Tick Hot Product for the product to appear in the till, then press Save. Here you can search for a previous sale and print a receipt by typing in the order reference, searching for orders in a particular date, or from a customer. To go back to the till, press Exit.